You can make the best fertilizers yourself. The ingredients in your kitchen. Love to care for your own garden, but you do not know about plants? We offer you a number of fertilizers that are easy to do on your own, and everything you need can be found in your home. 1. Sugar. Sprinkle evenly with a thin layer of soil before watering. Or dilute 2 teaspoons per liter of water. Use only once a week. 2. Eggshell. A generous source of calcium, and a wonderful acid scavenger in soils. It should be used with mineral fertilizers. Method No. 1. The shell of raw eggs is well washed, dried and crushed, then added to the soil. An eggshell is a product that decomposes slowly, so you need to add it very moderately. And it is worth chopping as small as possible. Suitable for fertilizing adult cacti. Method Number 2. Another method that is suitable for fertilizing seedlings. Pre-washed and dried shells are poured with 3 liters of hot water, encysted for 5 days, then seedlings are watered. 3. Banana skins. Banana skins are finely chopped and dried. This banana top dressing is suitable for flowering plants. Roses respond well, delight with abundant flowering. Flowering provokes potassium, which is rich in bananas. Method Number 1. When transplanting plants, sprinkled with a layer or simply embedded in the soil. Method No. 2. Dried skins are ground in a coffee grinder. It turns out a dark brown powder, which can be poured before watering in a pot with a plant, or diluted with water and used as liquid top dressing. 4. Water used for washing cereals. A lot of housewives know about such a cunning. The fact is that such water is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium and phosphorus. 5. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee neutralize the alkaline environment, so it is advisable to use for plants, lovers of acidic soil. When a plant is transplanted, the remains of tea are laid on the drainage layer, then the soil, and then the plant sits down. Tea and coffee additives make the earth light. It is extremely undesirable to introduce such fertilizer. If soil flies live in the pots, this will only increase their reproduction. Drunk tea and coffee dry well. Add as mulch and fertilizer for indoor plants. To feed seedlings, make an infusion of sleeping tea. 1 cup of tea. Pour 3 liters of hot water and insist 5 days, stirring. Filter and use as top dressing. 6. Onion peel. Onion peel is a very effective fertilizer for plants. Moreover, the infusion of onion peel contains a substance that destroys the pathogenic microflora. Infusion is most often used as foliar top dressing, rich in microelements, and plants perceive it as a full-fledged fertilizer. Prepare the infusion as follows: 10 grams to 20 grams of husk. Pour 5 liters of warm water, insist 4 days. Or in a quick way, a handful of husks. Pour a liter of boiling water and boil for 1 to 2 minutes, insist 2 hours, and can be sprayed from a spray bottle. 7. Infusion of orange peels. This is more prevention against spider mites and scale insects. Corks of citrus are poured a liter of boiling water and infused for 4 to 5 hours, then filtered. Spraying plants from the spray gun. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.